Ang susunod na programa ay Rated G. Ito ay pwede sa lahat ng manonood. The following program is rated G. It is suitable for all audiences.
Hello everyone. We are given a task to elaborate and to explain well the rational zero theorem with the degree of 4. We need to know the roots, the end behavior, the multiplicity, and the y-intercept. Okay?
Rational zero theorem. This is our given equation. F of x equals 3x raised to the power of 4 minus 10x cubed minus 9x squared plus 40x minus 12. So the first thing we need to do is to find the factor of the constant, which is negative 12, and the factor of the leading coefficient, which is positive 3. The factor of negative 12 are positive negative 1, positive negative 2, positive negative 3, positive negative 4, positive negative 6, and positive negative 12. And the factor of positive 3 are positive negative 1 and positive negative 3. Next step is we need to divide the constant by the leading coefficient so that we can have the possible zeros. Step 2. The synthetic division method. I'm gonna use positive 2 as the divisor. So, 3 times 2 is equals to positive 6. Negative 10 plus 6 is equals to negative 4. Negative 4 times 2 is equals to negative 8. Negative 9 plus negative 8 is equals to negative 17. Negative 17 times 2 is equals to negative 34. 40 plus negative 34 is equals to positive 6. Positive 6 times 2 is equals to positive 12. Negative 12 plus 12 is equals to 0. So, x minus 2 is a factor of the original polynomial. Step 3. We do the same process, the synthetic division method. I will use positive 3 as a divisor. So, 3 times 3 is equals to positive 9. Negative 4 plus 9 is equals to positive 5. Positive 5 times 3 is equals to positive 15. Negative 17 plus 15 is equals to negative 2. Negative 2 times 3 is equals to negative 6. 6 plus negative 6 is equals to 0. Now, our first equation is 3x squared minus 5x minus 2 equals to 0. Since this equation is considered as quadratic, we can now factor it. The factor of our new equation is quantity of 3x minus 2 and the quantity of x plus 2. Step 4. In order to have our roots, we need to equate every factor into 0. Transpose the constant number, so x minus 2 is equals to 0. It will become x equals to 0. Next, x minus 3 is equals to 0. It will become x equals 3. Followed by 3x minus 1 equals to 0. It will become x equals 1/3. And lastly, x plus 2 equals to 0. It will become x equals 2. So, therefore, our roots are 2, negative 3, 1/3, and negative 2. And each factor has a multiplicity of 1. Our leading term is 3x to the power of 4 since the degree is 4 and it is considered as even number. And the leading coefficient is positive. Therefore, our graph will look like W. Our y-intercept is 0 and negative 12. The end behavior will opening upward. This will look like this graph. Keep calm and thank you for watching. Mathematics is fun.
Saturday morning, jumped out of bed and put on my best suit. Got in my car and raced like a jet all the way to you. Knocked on your door with heart in my head to ask you a question, 'cause I know that you're an old-fashioned man. Yeah. Can I have your daughter for the rest of my life? Say yes, 'cause I need to know. You say I'll never get your blessing till the day I die. Tough love for my friend, but the answer is no. Why you gotta be so rude? no choice, can't live without her. Love me or hate me, we will be boys, standing at that altar. Or we will run away to another galaxy. You know she's in love with me. She will go everywhere I go. Can I have your daughter for the rest of my life? Say yes, 'cause I need to know. You say I'll never get your blessing till the day I die. Tough luck, my friend, 'cause the answer's still